Previously, I told you how to multiply 3 digits into 3 digits in 3 ways. That is, I told you 3 methods of multiplying 3 digits into 3 digits. Now, I am going to tell the final method, that is the 4th method and very important one, how to multiply 3 digits into 3 digits. Observe keenly, this is a very important part of speed math, not speed math, important part of maths itself. You please observe carefully. Now, I told you 3 methods.
Method number 1, 304 into 505. Give a slash, 5 4s 20, 5 3s 15, 5 4s 20, 20 plus 15 35, 5 3s 15.
And the second method is conversion.
398 into 298.
Or this is also you make it 298. Now, this is the one method.
398 written as 400 minus 2, 298 written as 300 minus 2 and give a slash.
This is one method I have told you. Okay. Now,
Method number 3, 398 into 406. 398 written as 400 minus 2, 406 written as 400 minus 6 and give a slash.
and don't touch 406. So, these 3 methods we have learned till now. Give slash and do directly, convert the numbers into speed mathematical way and multiply, and one big number, one small number. Convert the big number, don't touch the small number. So, these are the 3 ways we have learned till now, 3 methods, and I am going to show you the 4th method. Now, see, suppose
654 into 346.
if such a type of multiplication is given, now try the first method. You give slash here. 54 into 46 you cannot multiply. So, this method will not be suitable. Go for the second method, conversion. If you convert 654, it will become 700 minus 46, and if you convert 346, it will become 400 minus 54, again 46 and 54, which you cannot multiply. So, this method also does not apply. Am I clear? Just you cannot give slash and you cannot convert and do. And finally, this method also, if you multiply, if you convert one thing, 654 will become 700 minus 46 and again 346 will be there. So, you cannot multiply. Like that, even if you transfer 346, 654 into it will become 400 minus 54, again you cannot multiply. So, all these 3 methods will not enough to solve this problem. So, you cannot give slash and do, clear. You cannot convert both the things and do, clear, and you cannot convert either one of them and do. That is also not possible. Even if you convert either one of them, it is not possible. So, all these 3 methods will not be applicable to do this problem. And how to do it? This is called
Criss-cross method.
And generally, when you go for any books or speed maths books or anything, they will show only this method, because it is applicable to all, but we selected these methods because instead of this, if the things are like this, we can solve easily. Okay. Now, let us see how it should be done. Observe keenly. Here you have to multiply all the numbers individually. Instead of before going to this, I will show a small one. Suppose
121 into 311.
Okay, let us see this. Later I will tell you how to do this. Because numbers are small, you can understand well. Here also same, you cannot give slash, you cannot convert either one of them. So, you have to go for criss-cross method only. What is criss-cross method? Observe keenly. First,
1 into 1 equal to 1.
next cross multiply these two, 21 into 11. 2 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1. So, 2 plus 1, 3. 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 1, 1. So, 2 plus 1, 3. Next, all the 3 you have to cross multiply. That is, first edges, next middle. So, 1 into 1, 1. This is 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1. Next, 3 into 1, 3, next 1 into 2, 2, 4 plus 2, 6, right?
6.
4 plus 2, 6. So, all the 3 are over. Now, first 1 into 1, next 21 into 11 cross multiplication, next 121 into 311 cross multiplication. Okay? Next what to do? All the 3 over. Now, you leave 1 and cross multiply last 2. Now, you cross multiply 12 and 31.
1 into 1 equal to 1. 3 into 2 equal to 6.
So, 6 plus 1, 7. 3 into 2, 6, 7. And finally, 3 into 1, 3. This is the answer. I am explaining you once again, please see. First 1 into 1, 1. Okay? Next 2 into 1, 2. 1 into 1, 1. So, 2 plus 1, 3. Okay? Next all the 3. 1 into 1, 1. 3 into 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Plus 2, 1, 2 into 1, 2. 4 plus 2, 6. Next last 2. You have to reduce 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1, 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, and finally 1 into 3, 3. Like that you have to do. Okay, I will show you the diagram, everything. Please observe now. Now, how to do here? Same system. First, what to do?
6 fours 24.
4 here, 2 outside. Previously, I told you when you are operating 3 digits, you have to take 2 digits. That is when you give slash like this, you have to take 2 digits. Here it does not come under exact speed mass. You can see crisscross method. Here you have to take only 1 digit. So, ordinary multiplication 6 fours 24. 4 here, 2 outside. Okay? Observe keenly. Next, you have to cross multiply these two. 6 into 5, 30. 4 into 4, 16. 6 into 5, 30. 4 into 4, 16. So, 30 plus 16, 46 plus 2, 48. 8 here, 4 outside. Okay. Next what to do? Cross multiplication of all the 3. All the 3 you have to cross multiply. That is edges and center. That is 6 into 6, 36, and 3 into 4, 12, and 5 into 4, 20. Are you observing? 6 into 6, 36, 3 into 4, 12, and 5 into 4, 20. 6 plus 2, 8, 6. 68, and what is outside? 4. 68 plus 4, 72. 2 here, 7 outside. Am I clear? All the 3 we have done. Now what to do? Last 2 only.
6 into 4 24. 3 into 5 15.
4 into 6. Next 3 into 5, 15. That is 39. 4 into 6, 24. 3 into 5, 15. 24 plus 15 is 39, and 7 is outside.
39 plus 7 equal to 46.
6 here, 4 outside. And 6 3 to 18, 18 plus 4, 22. Okay? When you are writing these carrying numbers, kindly write like this. You write one, when you add it, you just put some hyphen so that it is over, like that. Don't write 2 here, again 4 on it, again 7 on it, again 4 on it, so that you don't understand anything. Don't write like this. Clearly you do this. I will explain it again slowly. You just take a paper and write down or understand clearly. First, 6 into 4, 24. 4 here, 2 outside. Next, cross multiplication of 54 and 46. 6 into 5, 30. 4 into 4, 16. 30 plus 16, 46. 46 plus 2, this 2. 46 plus 2, 48. So, 8 here, 4 outside. Okay. Next, all the 3. All the 3 means 6 into 6, 36. 3 into 4 is 12, and 5 into 4 is 20. Okay. 6 into 6, 36. 3 into 4, 12, and 5 into 4, 20. So, this is 8, 68, and this 4 is outside. 68 for 4, 72. So, 2 here, 7, this is over. 7 is outside. So, all the 3 we have done. Now, what to do? You cut 1 and last 2 you have to do. That is 6 into 4, 24, and 3 into 5, 15. 24 plus 15, 39. 6 into 4, 3 into 5. 24 plus 15, 39, and 7 is outside. 39 plus 7, 46. So, you write 6 here and 4 outside. And finally, 6 into 3, 18 plus 4, 22. Okay, I hope it is clear. Shall I do one more thing? Kindly observe clearly. Anything, take one big number, one sound number, one big number, whatever it is.
708 into 505.
First you see it, you give slash, you cannot multiply. You convert, it doesn't work. You convert either one of them, still it doesn't work. All those three processes will not apply for this. That is important. Suppose it is 708 into 505. You need not go for crisscross. Simply give slash 8 5 40 like that you can do. First you observe. If it is there, you need not go for crisscross. Simply you can use this slash method. Now here all the three methods will not apply. So you have to go for crisscross. Again I am telling you slowly, you see.
5 into 8, 40. 0 here, 4 outside.
Okay. Next 5 into 1 5, 8 into 6 48. 48 plus 5 53. 53 plus 4 57. 7 here, 5 there. Next all the three. Here you should be a little bit careful. 5 into 7.
35.
5 into 8.
40.
6 into 1, 6. This is 81. 5 into 7, 35. 5 into 8, 40. 6 into 1, 6. So this is 6 plus 5, 11. 5, 8, 81. 81 and this 5, 86. 6 here, 8 outside. First 8 into 5, 18, 65 cross multiplication. Next 7, 1, 8, 5, 6, 5 cross multiplication. Now last two, 71 into 56 cross multiplication. 7 6s, 42 plus 5. 5 into 1, 5. 42 plus 5, 47. 47 plus 8.
55. 5 here, 5 outside.
And lastly 7 5s, 35 plus 5.
40.
So the answer is 405670. Am I clear? Again 5 into 8, very very important, that is emphatically I am telling you again and again. 5 into 8 40, 0 4 outside. 5 into 1 5, 6 into 8 48, 48 plus 5 53, 53 plus 4 57, 7 here 5 outside. Okay. Next all the three, 5 into 7 35, 5 into 8 40 and 6 into 1 6, add, it is 81. 81 plus 5 86, 6 here 8 outside. Okay. Now last two, 5 into 1 5, 7 into 6 42, 42 plus 5 47, 47 plus 8 55, 5 here 5 outside. Okay. Last 7 into 5 35 plus 5 40. For this I will show you a diagram, and if you remember this diagram you can do it easily. See,
X, Y, Z into A, B, C. Step 1, C into Z, CZ. Step 2, C into Y, CY plus B into Z, BZ. Step 3, C into X plus A into Z, AZ plus B into Y. Step 4, B into X plus A into Y. Step 5, A into X
into A, B, C, give any values to X, Y, Z and A, B, C, and the steps are: step 1, C into Z, CZ. Next step, C into Y plus B into Z, C into Y plus B into Z. Next all the three, C into X, A into Z plus B into Y. Next last two, B into X, A into Y, and finally A into X. If you do remember it, even if you forget this process, by seeing this immediately it will come to your memory. Clearly you can do like this. I have shown you all the 4 methods of multiplying 3 digits into 3 digits. I think you should be remembering now. Giving slash and doing, giving convert and do, convert either one of them or do, or go for crisscross. And this crisscross is final. Even though the another 3 methods are there, just they will expedite, they will help you to do a little bit faster. If you cannot, even if you forget all the 3, this crisscross is final. But those things will help you to solve a little bit speedier. Okay. And some more things I will show you in the next episode.